In the first week of July, the sky was heavily overcast and rain clouds swept across the sky. Strong southwesterly winds that blew over the Indian Ocean brought the monsoon clouds, which caused a lot of rain. Southwesterly monsoon is refreshingly cool and it brings relief to the gasping, heat-stricken people. So it did in July when temperature rose alarmingly high. Newspapers carried reports of deaths by heatstroke or exhaustion, and the death toll was mounting every day. A night before, it had been oppressively hot and humid. It was dazzling sunrise, and the moist dew on the grass glittered in the sunshine. Surprisingly, the wind rustled through the swaying tops of trees that was splendid. The humid heat was gone in no time. We saw the rolling mass of black clouds across the sky. There was a flash of lightning, quickly followed by a clap of thunder. Large raindrops began to fall. The moment they fell, the dry earth sucked them. It was followed by a heavy shower. In the soothing shadows of dark clouds, the streets were turned into streams. The high walls were drenched, the leaves of trees sparkled in glee. Low-lying areas were flooded. The young and the old alike ran up and down the flooded streets. There were scenes of jubilation all around. It rained for about an hour. Light vehicles broke down on the flooded roads. Motorcyclists slipped and fell in pools of water. Nobody felt sorry. You know, it does not rain every day. Does it?